First of all, happy 5th anniversary. I clearly remember the day we started dating, November 17, 2018. That day, I was very comfortable with you already, even though it's just our first time to meet in Sydney. A month later, you asked me if you can court me. My heart was so happy and sobra akong kinilig nun. That day, I prayed to God. Lord, I hope that Luis is the one that you made for me.
Sarah, I love you. I'm not the most expressive person, and I don't say it often. But when I do, it's because I mean it with all my heart. It's been exactly 5 years since we started this relationship, and I must be the luckiest person in the world because I get to stand in front of you and get married to you twice.
Marriage is not just a commitment but a journey. And pag na-overwhelm ka, nandito lang kami, and never give up on your family.
Sarah, Luis, nadinig nyo na. Klaro na sa amin ang gagawin namin. Kayo, klaro ba sa inyo ang gagawin nyo ngayon? Hindi lang po kayo ikakasal. Bukod sa ikakasal, kayo din ay magdarasal.
That you are the one, because my heart is at peace. That's why, when you asked me to marry you on Feb 28 last year, my heart was overflowing with joy and I couldn't contain my happiness.
Slide on my suit, lace up my shoes, check on my tie, make sure it fits just right.
Sa tandaan mo yung sinabi ko na kung meron kayong tampuhan, huwag niyong paabutin hanggang umaga. Resolve niya.
Excited ka na?
Yeah.
Yung pogi daw ni Kuya Luis Sabi ni Meso,
minarites mo na nung...
Oo, sabi niya nga, ang pogi daw parang artista daw.
I love how you can pull off the no makeup look and still look stunning, especially pag bagong gising. I fall in love with you more each day. There are times that I just want to stare in your eyes and think to myself how lucky I am and that you are the most beautiful person in the world.
Kahit magbago ang puso ko, kahit magbago minamahal ko, tuloy pa rin ang kasal dahil ang mahalaga, magbabago kami together. We will write our story together. We will learn and grow together. The keyword is together.
And you take my hand.
Lahat ng pag-aalaga mo, simula ng bata ako. Natutunan ko yun and gagawin ko yun sa future family namin. Love you.
I love you both so much.
I love you, anak. I will always be my Iggy boy.
Pang-artista naman, I love how much you love your family. I love how you make me happy, even with just the simple things. I love all the adventures we had, and even the slow days at home. I love how you support me through all my highs and lows. I love how I can be my most authentic self with you. I love how you always make me feel safe. I love the life we have built and continue to build.
To sum it all up, I'll quote Meredith and Derek. To love each other, even when we hate each other. No running, ever. Nobody walks out, no matter what happens. Take care of you when we're old, senile, and smelly. This is forever. I love you. You are everything to me.
Darling, I choose to run with you until our race is won. Darling, I choose to love you until my days are done. Darling, I choose to run with you until our race is won. Darling, I choose to love you until my days are done. My only
Luis, you may now kiss your beloved wife, Sarah.
Looking back from when we started until now, we have celebrated milestones with each other. And I'm looking forward to where God will lead us next. Like I always say, everything happens for a reason. I believe in God's perfect timing because we met at the right place and at the right time. I love you.
I love you.